And he said, you know what he said? Foxes have holes, the birds in the air have nests, but the Son of Man had nowhere to lay his head. Where can you find it? Matthew 8:20. Matthew chapter 8, verse 20. The foxes have holes, the birds in the air have nests, but the Son of Man had nowhere to lay his head. So he was poor, just becoming humanity, just becoming flesh, like you and me. He became flesh. Because originally he was the Word, the Logos, L-O-G-O-S, Logos, the Word, and the Word was made flesh and dwelt among us. Na pareha siya nato, na ay lawas, na ay kalam, na ay mata, na ay baba, na ay ilong. But he, the Son of Man, had nowhere to lay his head.